Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Nokia X100. Nokia's most recent phone is the Nokia X100. It is powered by the latest Android 11 platform and has 6 GB of RAM. A 4470 mAh battery is also included. This battery is not removable. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 4350 octa-core processor powers the Nokia X100. Let's take a look at the camera now. The primary camera on the back is a 48 megapixel camera, which is followed by a 5 megapixel camera, a 2 megapixel camera, and a 16 megapixel camera for selfies. It is now available in midnight blue. After reviewing the Nokia connectivity options, which include Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.10, NFC, USB OTG, USB Type-C, FM radio, 3G, and 4G support. The phone's sensors include an accelerometer, an ambient light sensor, a barometer, a compass magnetometer, a gyroscope, a proximity sensor, and a fingerprint sensor. Face unlock is supported by the Nokia X100. The Nokia X100, on the other hand, is a good mobile phone.